Oh God, God will bless you for this platform. God will bless you well, well. Everybody when join this platform, God will bless all of you. What you take do, you know hard you. Or everything, make God take create you as a man. Your blessing, all of them, all of them. Everything may don't fail loss, all of them will come to you. My come to Bini, pardon mosa. Sorry for those may know the year. Epa upu no aya wame me weri oto. U ato the platform na na. Nu ya u ato ni maga. Osabo afiangbo. Osabo aton wemu. For those people where they jealousy epa, just leave them. They jealous. Na jealousy they worry them. You don't need to please anybody. You don't need to tell them, say, see what may they do. No. For my life, it come to the extent, I can't believe, say, you can't please human being. Do what you can do best. So, human being, where this is what I do for a living. No, they don't need it. Because as long as say they don't appreciate it, the good things you are doing, they can never appreciate the work you are doing. If I thought you are going to show it later, maybe you say you'll go work tomorrow, they will never appreciate it. The official say you forge. So you don't need to please anybody. Just go on with your life. God will bless you. As for the mama, when bring this issue come, Mama, I'll tell you, say, me as a woman, you, the woman fuck up. When you date this man, or like me now, if you make up for where I did, wait till that person talk. Now wait till you talk come out for man. Now say no. Wait till you with the person they discuss. So if you call me for phone, okay, sorry. If you call me for phone, I need to. You know, tell me say,
guys are not you. I'm not talking to you. Okay, continue. Thank you.
Okay, sir. You know, we tell me say, with any background where you dey, I go know say this person dey sir or dey road, all those kind of things. If there's any no it there, so I do investigation which like that. So for the mama dey for up. For the relationship to talk say this man now don't marry. It don't fair get wife and you now you don't born children inside. You don't know. Maybe one pikin, two pikin, maybe 1 year, 2 years, 3 years. You don't know say this man get wife. Maybe by mistake, no one can quarrel. The man come mistakenly talk say I get pikin or he don't fair get wife. Whether now you be senior or now the other one be senior, you don't know. So in all, that man, just calm down. That man you still marry. He will never end up like that because he don't study your whole life. Your whole life now, you don't feel like talk true to himself. The man can never say true to himself because I need to believe one thing for this life. And we human being with the lie to ourselves. The man don't start his whole life with lie because you enter into this relationship now for like 2 years, 3 years or more than you don't know say this man get pikin. But the man can never say true to himself. He will continue the lie more years ahead. Joe, if you stay now to face the say you be second wife or the other one be first wife or now you be the first one and the other one be second wife, more are yet to come because life they go from, they go back. More wife go come up. So you will not decide for yourself, for your children. Sorry, may I remove your own side? Let me say a little for my own side. Me, I'm a single mother of 3. I dey talk from Edo State for Auchi Express Road. Express Road now from the talk so. For Enya area now I dey so. So me, I'm a mother of 3. Oga.
Now for believe for it also.
Yes, Iyeke Zafik.
Oh wow. You're welcome.
Yes, sir. So like me, I'm a single mother of 3. Hey, they put pepper for my eye, but I even say I know person tell me say where I dey today I go feel there. I go say they make that person will talk am. In fact, maybe you want come mock me. Where I dey today, I will feel yours reach today. In fact, I always see this fresh hair today. I no believe because when they that word when they use say from up to bottom. Now I come from. I leave that house with my phone and clothes when I wear. They collect all of my children. I collect only my baby. I come on no clothes. I come to beggar for street. So, but today, Oga, I dey pay house rent of 400,000 for where I dey so. I dey live for 2-bedroom flat. Ever since, I'm not trying to please people here. I never dey date man, but I'm feeding with my own money because I dey work. A lady friend make thanks to Mama Rita for my life because she someone raised me up. Say e make me understand say if people tell you say they no want you, just pick your pieces. Oh yeah, continue your life. My children dey with me. I dey take off my children. In fact, I don't know say na so single life sweet because this marriage so I started giving birth at the age of 20. I'm 33 now. This marriage scatter at the age, not be even marriage because e no pay money for my head. It scatter in 2023. That was January 19. So I begin to take off my children. And when I go fit gather up, I go collect my children. My children dey with me. My first son is 12 years. So I continue with my life. If you know say you fit stay, you no wan drink hypertension medicine, but just believe me say more dey come. More dey come. Because this thing you need to investigate those men well. Like me I see ID on my own. If you dey talk and suffer dey look you, me I sabi investigate, especially if e come to relationship issue. I dey investigate the man well. So make people no fit say make no come fit say you don enter this marriage now, who go come carry you. My dear, even though say person no come carry you, continue with your life. Because God know the best. God know the future ahead. But if you know say you no fit drink hypertension medicine, my sister, use your tongue take count your teeth. If I talk say for fun, you with this man, you na go marry. But first please yourself first. First live love. I wish I said no, I no go gree. No, this house because me with this guy build house together. If we no get anything at all, get many land around. Say no, this house. Oh, I go there today. Oh, you know how many times I just sit down and say, okay, may I go commit suicide. I no too blame the woman because she no pray put, she no even expect her because say she can't feel guilty now. That's why she can't come and fine. I will tell you August 23, that said 2023, August 1st, August 5, 2023, my little day junction for Idokpa, my little day junction. This girl we later born for my baby father. The girl follow the man enter house. Some of you say they don't know. Now lie, many of them they know. When the quarrel they go on, in fact, they never throw my things come out. The girl don't enter house. I dey junction. This guy drive come or you go carry this girl come. They enter house. But today, everybody they take up their children. For a man say, I'll use Benin language. Oti aore emilesi okuzebude. So for you, mama, you just need to calm down, relax your head. Think what you will fit do for yourself. Think what you fit do for you, for yourself, for your children health. Who die? Who die? It don't go, Tilo. It don't go. You know nothing like say you expect 2 years, 3 years, 4 years. No, it don't go for you to be able to take care of your children. So I no advise you say may you stay. I no advise you may you come out. Just only use your tongue to take count your teeth. All of you now, God go bless you. Daddy, God go bless you. Mama of the house, God go bless you. God go bless you.
Wow.
Thank you.
Wow,
Thank you, sir.
wow. Very impressive, man. Wow, what a wonderful woman.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much. So, now finish what they taught to us from Benin. With, wow. I'm so proud of you, okay? Really proud of you. That is nice. Wow. So now I want you expressway. Now you did that area there. If they go eastern side, Esther. Maybe the network don't hold on more. Anyway, we'll continue. I'm proud of her. She make it.
Yes, sir. I hear you.
Okay, and that's how they stay. That's how they stay.
Yes, Auchi Express Road by
Yes.
Enya, back
Enya
of
side.
Zafik Hotel.
Oh
Yes.
yes, I know that place. Yeah.
Okay.
Thank you very much. I really appreciate your
Thank you,
time.
sir.
Also your data, everything. Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Thank you. I'm proud of you. Thank you. So the other of our sister here, Sister Amanda. Good afternoon.
Bros, good afternoon. Good afternoon, everybody.
You're welcome.
Okay. My first time to come this platform be this, and I really say I dey watch your live videos since so, but I never come up before. Okay. So for those people where they talk about you, I know there's no reason their matter because they are jealous. Because this your platform now, they help a lot of people. They help a lot. Like this auntie Sister Queen now, when you talk about her business for her country, make that they go to her shop, they go buy things. Now still help because a lot of people will go there, go buy things. So now still help now you support and I support her business. So and for Sister Esther, I am really happy for you. Yes. God will continue to bless you and give you the power to take care of your children and to take care of yourself as well. Because a lot of women they into abusive home, they go to say if they come out, they not go feel take care of themselves. If they come out, they not go feel life not go on. They go to say the world revolve around the man. But if you take step, something might happen. You don't know the future. You understand? So for our auntie when talk about her problem, when we won't talk about so my sister, for me, if that man, as if say no first say you say see waiting they hide from you from beginning, he married person before. And you don't know whether na you be the first or the second. Even though say na you be the first or the second, that will not change anything. Even though say you dey find peace now, say okay, make you settle with the woman, make you go talk to the person, say okay, my husband married two of us, so na me and you dey marry. Now what I don't know that na you be first, I mean na me be second though. That will not matter. Your own peace of mind na dey important. But that woman na fit agree with you, say okay, oh, I agree. Make we just they do co-wife together. You don't know her mind. You don't know what if he do you. You don't know the extent, the level where go fit go to take hurt you and your own children. You don't know what they have made. You don't even know what the man don't tell them about yourself. You don't know. So you know if you just go tell and say okay, no problem, we could just continue the relationship like that. For me, I for say make you leave. But if you know say the man they treat you well or anything, say you won't stay, say you fit stay. But for me, there's nothing you fit tell me. That man, so if he really love you, he not go hide that kind of secret from you. He not go hide that secret from you. If he really love you, I don't know that they understand me. If he really love you, not go hide that kind of secret from you. And secondly, man, if he do that kind of thing to you, if he do 100 million times over and over and over again, he go marry another person and he go continue to the marry, they go. You go continue to the cheat. So that kind of home, there's no peace. You're not going to ever get peace. Now also quarrel. Now go the quarrel. So what it be the need? Just prioritize your peace of mind. Make you live if you won't live. Because there's no need. There's no need for you to stay. Just take your children, move on with your life. You can say, Sister Esther, now the way she live, move on. I don't be she still did the marriage now. Probably maybe her enemy self for don't end up for somewhere or you want thing or the other. So my dear, just leave. Oh, that's for me. Oh, that's for me. Mm-hmm.
Okay, thank you very much. The woman in question is on the comment section. Madam TikTok Police, we are going to bring you up very soon. Just be patient with us. My sister, what's her name? Sister Mommy B. You don't give me notification, say you want to climb up. We'll bring you come up. Just be patient, okay? Thank you very much. Let's allow our sister Beauty, may she talk to us. Sister Beauty, good afternoon from Berlin.
Good afternoon, sir, from Sweden, Uncle. Good afternoon.
Oh, welcome. I hope my son not the echo again.
No, you're good now, you're fine.
Okay.
Good afternoon, welcome.
If why you the bother say they talk. Some Nigerian men they like it, they talk good matter. Nobody me they go Africa shop, me they work Babin salute to Babin salute talk women matter. Nobody they like how they want to bring women. That women not take good for Europe. So Uncle, if they not the stress, some Nigerian.
Hey, network don't come.
Oh, no, I'm hearing you.
Okay.
Can you guys hear me?
Yes, yes.
Can you hear me?
Yes.
Let me be audible. So, okay. So for me, people they talk, especially now the men, because all we the women now we go there because now waiting some of us they go through for marriage, and now waiting some of our mother go through for marriage. Where we the children verse we not go through for marriage. So actually they support us, they verse. You don't understand me, so no worry. I get Guinness, more cold Guinness. They fridge. I'll to send that come for you. You hear
Thank
me?
you.
Yours they fridge, they cold during summertime. And when you open at the drink out for guiding the sweets where we enter body. You don't understand. So right now, no your talk, no your live there. For me, the woman in question, I did yesterday when the woman talk. Apart with my experience, I will use and tell the woman I came from a polygamous home, and I'm not going to advise my enemy make it pass through that rat. For that man not to even first tell you, first of all, say get wife for Nigeria, let you know that means that man not even regards you as a wife. He just believes say waiting I do made this on your day Europe women they get it day. That perception don't enter that my head. Say don't think and say some Europe women know you're good, so you're there anytime when you just need respect, you go Nigeria, go meet that one. Now there respect there. So for me, so with the word they talk, I get that when they say my mom verse say none of you picking go marry my way if I get wife. None of you picking go marry my way if I get wife, because now where I come from, my dad first get children. You know, tell my mom say get children. Let alone say 3 daughters. But when my mother entered that marriage, my mother seen 99. So because of that, my mother verse say 2 daughters will never ever get married to a man where don't marry. It's easier said than done. No, when you enter inside, no woman wants me you share their husband with them. Oh. Forget us with them. Me no agree. Make share husband with me. May nobody if can say made the woman call the woman where they Nigeria. It isn't no way they Nigeria. They please say the man they with you than she where they Nigeria. Because the man spend time with you for year where you dey Europe than that woman where they Nigeria. Do you think she's happy? For her mind, because a lot of Nigerian people think say we dey abroad now we be Alpha and Omega. They don't know say we just they live to make sure say we live for the living. You don't understand me? So that woman will never be happy for you. You know get how you call that woman say Auntie May will make peace with this man. This and no. Like one woman talk for you say if you know say it dey your mind for me to you, say it dey your mind, auntie, leave that man, because your spirit don't tell you say you no won't go with any man where get second wife or third wife. That thing your spirit tell you run from that thing. That's so I be. I tell myself say man wey don't marry I not go enter that. You know guy be. Even though say except the only way I feel enter that kind of marriage if you and that woman don't divorce or that sorry I want that woman don't buy. Now me enter that kind of say maybe man wey fair get married say he and the woman not come there again they can't come out. And uncle I not go enter. Auntie, I not go enter because I dey talk from my place of experience. Even man wey fair get pikin, baby papa, you can't enter as a person. Even they not fair marry that woman. You know the day easy to fight that fight. Oh. Because the baby mama, some of them go torment you to the extent say you go even tire for that marriage where you dey safe. Let it know say na man wey don't put money for woman head. He even get 2 children. He not tell you say he get 2 children. It lies say now one. So waiting. So that man alone, seeing that man said, for me self, I'm not sure say my body go even they do me to want even do anything with himself. So if you ask me my own advice, and they leave that place. Because your spirit don't tell you say you no want marry man wey fair get wife. Not say wey fair get pikin. No, you can get married to any man wey get pikin, but wey fair get wife. Your spirit don't fair say no, I don't want them, I don't need them. You know, get because the problem, the baggage is where they come with. You know the day easy, especially when we dey Europe here. You know the days Nigeria person go fight no man fight. Come as you dey Europe here, you go fight until the day to your last breath. So for that man, first of all, not to even tell you say if you even put money for woman head. My sister, for me, I will come out. You don't get two children. Sometimes I wonder waiting most of us. Not be picking the hungry you now. Not if you need, see, now normal you must do vaga. Go for a person you know say don't still born finish. Not be picking there your mind now. Not be saying if you're not married, they're not put you for normal 6 feet. No. This is the right time for you to even know what. You know waiting. I want to do my life. I want to be me again. I want to live the life that I've always wanted. Now my advice will be that one. Say calling that woman, make peace with that man, this, that. Until your spirit not that. It be like me, my spirit not that because I know how that thing tomorrow, polygamous home, take deal with us thing tomorrow. We still they get that phobia. We still you don't see that fear. We say you go even go Nigeria to go your papa house, you go they fear because your mama they fear say your stepmother not go put pokok for food for you. You don't ever think say you will carry these children go Nigeria. You can't dey fear say I dey fear maybe this other woman not go use bad eye look my children. Oh, till tomorrow we still get that fear. Me, I dey. If I go Nigeria, for me to go my papa house, I go they look back, they look front. Because my mother tell me say my other papa wife not like me. You don't grow up. I'm telling you, and I'm saying this thing from experience. I'm not hiding it. Gonna print saying on my side good parts. No. If I see one of my papa wife, they corner, they pass another junction. You know why? Because of polygamy, because of the war inside. The war inside, no, they sweet. As I did, so for me to call my stepbrother, I go be like problem. For me to come, I don't get my stepmother's number. You don't get that relationship sweet, rich, no. So think and say, this your children, you will carry them go Nigeria one day. Your mind not go there at rest, say, there's woman go use, but you don't think and say, follow for go Nigeria, how now we take cope. Think those things. If now waiting, since as far you see now waiting, your spirit not want, sister, not done, because there's a second call me, I came to go back. Your spirit no want her, your spirit no want her. Do away with them. The man never na court marriage, common marriage na normal thing. You just if you want divorce it. But if you like I talk, if na me I no go stay because I know how I take comfort. Think tomorrow polygamy no good for my body. It no good. There's a man I really love so much. Let's say before I met my husband, I see browsing. I say, oh, I don't see husband. But you know why I left that man? That man, his ex-wife never returned the bride price where the man put for the woman head. So for me, you are still legally married because even that I enter that place tomorrow, that woman will come, he's still first wife. Do you know what I did? Browsing, I leave that relationship because I no go fit. I run, I carry bag, I run. I too late. I said no, I no do. Even when a party say what's happen, I say I no go fit. He said they won't go return money. They won't go return money. They won't go return money. I did relationship for 1 year. They not they return the money. Me, let me say God for you, bad thing. Not be me. Browsing, I move because now there I come from. I know waiting you do me. Till tomorrow, we still a cry. So if you ask me, for example, you just ask me, say, person like my papa, what I want marry, Browsing. If you put 200 people like my papa, I go run past them for roads. I don't even agree they're going to be second, not marry them because they don't create good impact for women life. They let women live for bondage. They say tomorrow, most of my papa wife, they're supposed to be happy. But the fact that they marry man, we say get many wives, they are living in bondage. By this one, they fear me, this will not give you picking, boko. This one, they fear me, this will not give you picking, boko. So my sister, think this one. That's the only advice I get for you. If you know, say your spirit not want to come out right now. But if you know, say waiting you want to go ahead. Nobody they pursue right now, but for future, think if you go fit stand the future with them. Because somebody said yesterday, say parents are the history, while your children are the future. I picked that word, I underline it from this platform. So that's my taking. Thank you, everybody.
Thank you very much, Star Beauty. God bless you for your submission. Very nice submission. You see why it good make people with the share experience. They're very, very good. If you check comment section, my brother, my lovely brother or nurse, he said in your polygamous way for come, he said they were so united, okay? And when Star Beauty said the one way for come, they were not good. You understand? But almost they praise, say their own day very perfect. But before I let you talk, give me just 1 minute. My own grandfather my father not married 2 wives, but my grandfather married 3 wives. But not be said they be not they unite. They get babele for each other. No, but that be my problem when I constantly meet my grandfather. No, but that be my problem. They don't just send each other, but they know they quarrel. They do, everybody, they do their own. They know they will share each other. But when I get, my grandfather, they beat the wives. Only that will be waiting until like my grandfather. He too not like me too. You understand? He not like me not like him. Because he comes out say me not like him. So he could develop that hatred for me. After we know they live together. You understand? And he don't like me because he know say I don't like that thing, the way they beat the wives. You understand? Because if they beat the wife, the way they frown my face, the way they do my face, the way they make noise, the way they loud. You understand? The way they loud, the way they angry, the way they crumble. And the man could even teach her, go carry this one come. You understand? But he could imagine and say, waiting my father not feel question about. Me they like to they pull my mouth inside. You understand? That's why my grandfather never liked me one day. You understand? Because I don't like that thing we could do to my grandmother, to my my grandmother second and the third one. If you cook for night, the food not quite arrive, that problem. If you carry water, come, you know hold on where you don't need that where give her water to wash hand, that problem. I know we say they give them money, may take go buy the food. Everything was just problem. So the next thing one day I tell her say, I be like say, you know, we all die one day, may you all live forever. Since that day, the man can't develop more hatred for me. You understand? Because they like to the question her because they don't they but see they do that kind of thing. You understand? So I don't like that thing. So boy, you know, they nah, you don't come on, the wives, all of they don't go. You understand? You just create one kind thing for grand. When we say no will last forever. You know? Anyway, man, I don't take Subhana time. Subhana, I greet you. Good afternoon, my brother.
Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, everybody.
Welcome, my brother.
Yes, it's always I intentionally didn't want to speak yesterday because they say nobody know how finish. Sometimes some of us we need to sit down for back of the class, still learn sometimes.
Yes.
You know, understand? Before I start, I pray my Holy Spirit give me the right words. There are so many things I want to say. Before I start, let me say this. Austin, if people talk about Jesus Christ, who is Austin?
Mm-hmm.
Jesus Christ will be say, come will sacrifice his life for us. People still said all kind of so many bad things about him. Who be Austin? And that is the life that we're living in now. See, the truth is this, it is so sad. So many of us don't understand, say, because you are doing something that is good, now make people they notice you. Satan not get time for person where no say he don't carry come inside. But you only get time for the person where no say he never carry come, where no dey in your side. Whether you like it or not, people will always have things to say. You understand? This is the question here is, are you going to allow what they say to take you out of your journey where you know where you dey go? These are distractions. But these distractions sometimes can also be a motivation for you to know, say, you are actually on the right path. You understand? One of the biggest things we struggle with in this our generation, now truth. So many of us, we can even come on platform here and say, I want a woman who is truthful. I want a man who is truthful. So many of us cannot stand truth. So many of us, truth, they pain us our body. So many of us, truth, they bring out the anger inside of us. So there are so many people, you understand, when your truth be like sword where they pierce them for chest, what do people do? The best form of attack, now defense. And the best form of defense, now attack. You understand? People will always attack you. But the truth is this. Do not allow the attack of people come push you, come up for the lane where you go. Let them say, you understand? Allow them talk, my brother. Even the way that they bash you, I they get my own, I they get DM, fake accounts. I tell you last time now, they are blasting me too.
Yes.
They are blasting me too. Say me, yeah, why you go there with Austin? You will get sense. You there with man where they support only woman.
You tell me that's the way they work.
Yes, exactly. See, and the worst part of it is, these are people that you know that knows you very well. Your own people.
I know.
Your own people. But it is sad. We'll be saying,
yes.
This life we there.
I know.
Everybody get choice. You understand? we don't reach the age as an adult. You know, go fit tell me if I go supermarket and I know what I go buy for supermarket.
Yes.
And everybody they go market, go to buy what they want buy.
Yes.
This social media, nobody they nail, they peg to stay in one place. If the life not suitable for you, press that X with your right button and go to another life.
Yes.
You understand? See, make we just leave that one aside. When I see this issue of polygamy, to the woman concerned, I am not going to speak to you direct. For those that know me, I know they give marriage advice, tell you say, do this or not do that. But I will only give you guidelines, things for you to look out for. If you look this comment section now, in as much as a lot of us are saying, polygamy is not good, polygamy is not good, there are still some people are saying, for me, polygamy was good. What does that tell you? We all have different types of experiences.
Yes.
But don't forget, polygamy, if your skin not full, not full body. You understand? And not just that, so many of us don't really know the pure definition of polygamy. So many of us, based on the experience where we they come, we already have this, we don't hear this word polygamy is like a trigger. We tend to define polygamy from a place of irresponsibility. And what you see the way you talking just now, you said your grandfather was very nice to all the wives. He treated them well, but the problem was they beat them. Not be polygamy be the problem. That is an irresponsible act.
Yes.
You see, that was an irresponsible behavior. But Peking, where they go for that environment now, he go to fear polygamy because that is what he or she saw. You understand? That is why sweet banana cake with the small knowledge when I get, with my small research I don't do, my people, polygamy is taught. That they teach person how to run polygamous home. As a man, polygamy is taught. That is why you go see those men who were able to run polygamous homes successfully were taught by who? Fathers with a get sense. Father that knew the pure meaning of good communication skill. A father that knew what is called balance and boundary. Father will know the miss oil, join water. Father will know say, listen, woman not be your slave. Woman are your helpmate. So when woman they talk to you, a man that knows how to listen to understand and not listen to argue. You see, but the problem is so many of us, environment who foresee polygamy. Now irresponsible men will be say their erection was their direction. Men will be say now their gola they control them. Now what we see as polygamous men. Men we they don't know their left from their right. We go tell you say, now my wife must cook, she must come kneel down, give me food. And she must lie down for my front until I eat finish. You must they clean my nyash. See, from a place of irresponsibility, so many of us don't begin they describe polygamy in a wrong way. You see, the truth is this, my people, especially for the men, a lot of us men we will never feed ourselves finish. A lot of us men will never take care of ourselves. So many of us though they say, I want marry more than one wife. I want marry 2 to 3 wives. Oga, you know who feed only you. You see, even only yourself, when they bring ordinary issue for you, you do not know how to judge issue without being biased. But you want to go run polygamous home, you go see truth because say you want favor person. You want to go favor person. You go talk, go corner. How you want to run polygamous home? Polygamy not be for small pikin. You see, and see, for the family personally, I came from generation of polygamy. Sweet banana cake no go fit do polygamy. You know why? Because they don't teach me. My skin not full. I not go fit put body. I not go fit. Because I already know. Say, man, even dealing with one woman by myself, now problem. No talk of say I want to go carry. One girlfriend is already a problem. My brother, but during the days of our father, they were able to juggle 2, 3. You understand? And the days of our father, you see these things. Host, you play something this morning. The days of our father, it was reduced. Our papa know they go outside, go they bring disease, they come home. Because they were bold enough to tell the woman at home, say, another woman they come. Sometimes now the woman for house, now they choose the next woman for our papa those days. You see in a constitution where polygamy was well attended to. You understand? Now the woman go still bring woman where she go feel work with for house. He go say, my lord, my Lord and my Savior. This is the woman I know I can work with at home. You see, that first wife is the one that introduced the second wife to the man. And that first wife, now go still show that second new wife for, say, see where kitchen day, see where bathroom day, see where your room go day. But these days, not be the same days with days of our papa. You see, things don't change. And this is why I always tell our women, auntie, if you know, say, polygamy not be for you, auntie, not force yourself enter. It comes with so many things, which a lot of us in this generation, the things where our grandpapa or our grandmama be at that time, a lot of our mama today's, the women of nowadays, a lot cannot bear it. Make we not fake calm. A lot cannot bear it. And make we not still fake calm. To a very large extent, some of us will still dey honest. Go still see and say, some of the things, some of the road where they carry some of our mama past those days, was from a place of waiting, selfishness. I go talk with no fear or favor. Some of them, in order for them to be conformed and controlled, now the reason why they use some of our women till they swear those days, will be say the man go feel waka, do anything when he wants, but when woman do one, they say make juju kill him. You see, see, make we not the live to the knack yash, make we the talk true. You don't understand? But the thing is this, now the days of our fathers, now be that. We are living it today. Auntie, see, no go marry man when he tell you, say, I go use you swear. You don't go swear, you can't come back here and complain. I not go side you. You see, man will tell you from the beginning, say, for my family, we they swear, but because I say, get big prick, he get money, you can't go swear. Auntie, me personally, if that juju they worry you, I go remove my body. Because you do it in, you consented to, you agreed, say you they go swear. You see, that man tell you, not be say deceive you. If they not corner you, go down and say, but we not, for our family, we know they tell, we they deceive people, go they swear. No, this one you were told. Now you still carry your 2 legs. They say bring your hair. Where they your head or the one they your yash. Bring and come. You carry go give them. You can't go swear. Auntie, that's what I always say. I always say this on this platform as well. Most people, where they say, you want to go marry, if man tell you, say, I am a traditional man, auntie, understand instantly, say, African tradition promotes and allow polygamy. But it is a thing of choice. If you dey deal with man, where be say, now only you chose, the man tell you, say, I'm not going to do church or court wedding. What does that tell you? That man get right to marry more than one. A lot of women know they like hear this, but it is the truth. This is the truth. See, traditional marriage in Africa promotes and allow polygamy. If you go marry for court or for church, promotes monogamy. One man, one wife. Auntie, if you not do church or court wedding, not blame that man if you go marry another woman. Because now waiting you sign for be that. Does that mean that all traditional men now they marry more than one woman? No. There are some. Like me, I be traditional man. I not go fit deep pass with more than one woman. You see, that is a thing of choice. Now that choice for come in. My people, make una they investigate before una they invest. The man where you they deal with. If he tell you, say, now one man, one wife, now you want do. By the time una don't dey inside, or God want breach that contract, if they go bring another woman. Auntie, you also have the right, the decision, the choice to stay or leave. You see, you have the right to do it, stay or leave. They no use nail to knock you for there. You understand? If the man tell you, say, this the way this marriage they go now, I cannot do it anymore. I think it's time for me to bring another woman. Or madam, if you know say you no go fit, you still tell and say, I think it is time for me to leave. I cannot stay. That's what it just be. And another thing is this. Auntie me, where did this situation? I sweet banana cake. When it comes to the dynamics of marriage, one of the things when I hate the most, now be deception. To deceive person. Auntie, any man who can deny the wife and children we get, lie to you, just to get you in, he will deny you one day as well. That man will deny you one day as well. See, the day you find out, say, he deny another woman like you and his children, who are you? And your total sweet pass. The same thing, where do that, auntie, now question of time. Now time you go take. Eh? When your time don't expire, the same way it bring you in. Eh? Now so you go see it bring you out. Deny you to another person again. But listen, no, this is what I always say to my women, those who chose to listen to me. Auntie, listen. When something tell you and show you saying a snake, why you they try assume say that in a monkey? A man is showing you and telling you, say see who I be. You want to go do fasting and prayer, say make it change. You are joking. This man has showed to you that is a complete, see, is a bundle of what they call lies, deception, what they call liar. He don't deceive you, bring, come in now. Auntie, if it's be say you don't born pikin now, maybe you never born rich one way for Africa. And you yourself now, you they consider say, maybe not because say one day Africa, maybe I go feel day here. What if Oga come up for your country? You go another country tomorrow now, and decide to pick another one again. Baba don't turn to area code. Any region when you go, you must marry and give person belle. But listen, no, it takes two. Madam, they no use super glue tell you for that. But listen, mommy, you will they listen to us now. No matter the advice we will give you here, last you go see do it in your mind. If you know say this man good to you, is capable of being a husband to you and being a father to your children, and you know say you can handle it, mommy, I'm not here to tell you to leave. Oh, no be the one you can't come out and Austin platform. They tell you may you come out to sweet banana cake not deal. I not tell you may you come out to. You understand? But listen, they say now who wear shoe. Now I know where they pay now. They know they use mat, they tell pikin, we get sense, make come up for kitchen, we smoke day. But if you know say you wear mask, you wear face mask, where you fit deal with that smoke. Mommy, glory be to God. But if you not fit still deal with them, you can't decide that smoke, you can't begin the cough tomorrow. Us the platform, we day here, we go help you listen to the sound of cough. Some of us go see listen to the cough, some go say na smoke, some go say maybe na corona. Some of us still avoid it. My people, when I know me, I be small boy, I not get sense.
No. Never come on. Wait.
I did here with you.
Wait. That woman of yesterday. Okay? With the rest one, sorry. That woman of yesterday.
Yes.
Make I tell you the latest this morning. Very, very important. The latest be say, when the husband come yesterday, so he come make the husband, after work, come make the husband understand, say, okay, now, how everything will come be now, as it be like this? Do you really make up your mind, or you were just joking? The man say, you know, they joke. So you don't carry some of your belongings, come up for this house. He wanted to go stay with the Kenyan woman. So, but I'll come to visit to now.
All right.
At least as a woman, now your husband, I don't know why people say they have to fear husband. No, any moment if you talk, why you go marry that kind of man? I don't understand. My wife for the fear me to talk to me now. It's not possible. You understand? As a woman, you tell the man, say, okay, now, at least that one is your choice. Me still get my own choice. I beg, money when you put for my head, and the juju want me to go sweat for those states. Make una go remove her from my head, so that I will know the next thing to do on my own. What did the man talk? The man say, okay, may if I go the reason that one first. So, Suba, now you reason that one.
Okay, listen to this. I hope that woman is listening.
Of course.
Yeah, intentionally yesterday, I don't want to really talk for this thing because there was a lot of things that was going through my head. And the way I thought they talk yesterday, I for not go after that man. I for go after this woman so bad that maybe she might not like my talk. That was the reason why I had to be reserved.
Yes.
Madam, if you are listening to me, not be the day where man tell you say I dey comot, not be that day that man comot.
Because I understand your point.
That man left long time ago.
For a very long time.
He showed you in so many ways, say, you are not a priority to me, but you yourself, you not value yourself. You see, they shook your head for there. You see, from listening yesterday, I just the boy and I say, no. Make I calm down, I not go climb up. Mommy, let me tell you, it is better for the Holy Spirit to use a man, make it run come up for your house, than that man can stay in your house, can't go cut your enemy, put for fridge.
Okay.
Let him go. See, oh, we don't understand this thing. See, teeth way go break. It go break, even follow moi, or even if you use a bad bread. You can never make a man that don't want to stay in one place to stay there. Sometimes, the reason why so many of us men, they leave women, sometimes, our ladies, sometimes not be your fault too. Some of us, when we say we not fit deceive you again, you become a threat. They will start looking for another gullible person who go fit deceive. Listen, do not allow people's decision to weigh you down. Auntie, dust yourself, pick yourself. They say na person with their life. Now they talk about marriage. No build their life, they talk about bride price. Say they never return her. Not be person where not the psychiatric hospital. They remember say they used to swear juju. Auntie, go and fix yourself and stop crying over spilled milk. You understand? Stop crying over spilled milk. You cannot make an irresponsible man responsible. But you can only make yourself responsible. Not just for you, but for the children where you get. See, this issue, a man that is ready to fix his home, when that woman asks and say, man, you say you dey go, he will look for every other way to cover and say, now joke I dey, I don't want to come out. Until that man is physically present, but emotionally absent. That man is gone long time ago. I beg, make it dey go. Make Baba not come enter depression for your ass. He sleep, he not come wake up. Your enemy come to say, now you buy him. Let him go. Sometimes you need to let who want go for you to be in the right state of your mind. Sometimes, make I shock you again. For some trees to grow in one spot, another tree need to die. I'm going to repeat this again. Sometimes, for another tree to grow for the same spot, the tree we did there before need to die. This is not a joke. Auntie, you will never become the best version of yourself if you still keep holding yourself back to the old version. This will not be say, see, yesterday I'm nicer. Yesterday, when I be one talk, I was personally coming for you. Auntie, this man don't show you so many ways. He said only one picking. Only for you to find that say now two. For party, he disgrace you. The other woman go report. He has not even listened to your side of the story. He dey attack you. The man will even disgrace you publicly for all your family members dey. After party, you have to literally beg your husband to take you home. Auntie, who do now all these things? What is happening? Why be say a lot of our women don't know their self again? Why stoop so low? Why you know they stay where they value you? What did they happen?
We get headache.
What did they happen? You from a place where there is love and understanding. Do you have to beg your husband? That what they use to talk, but that say, "Only can carry me go house." Really? We be saying that your husband safe. We know himself. Supposed to make sure say children and the wife get home safe. He said, "Make una go take train for night, auntie, and you need validation for social media to know whether na husband you deal with." You are joking. So many of our women we don't know themselves. A lot of our brothers, they go see use you now. We never see anything. Go and self-develop yourself. Come on Austin platform. You need to learn who you be. Mommy, do not look down on yourself. Now marriage you marry, not be jail you enter. Now marriage you married, not be place where you not go fit talk. Some of us make we not still fake am. And I go drop with this one. Anybody where this stone meet, make it take am. Auntie, sometimes you know the reason why this man he go leave you, go meet South Africa being a Kenyan woman.
Kenya.
Okay, sometimes because he knows say some of our women when they open their mouth to talk, the words they come out for their mouth be like fire. Some of our women, if they never insult man, what did they want talk? They know if you talk am. You see, See, as we they look right, make we see they look left. Because so many of us men, that man, that woman, where be say they run, they go meet. That woman feel no better pass you, but you say that woman know how to talk past you. Where be say not be everything being sought. And see, a broken relationship or a broken marriage, is better than RIP. May that not be your portion in Jesus' name.
Amen.
I mute my mic.
Amen. Okay. In case I don't know how they operate, like I tell you some little bit secrets. Sometimes, for this old media, when I see so this TikTok media, so okay, person when I take as my person for the media side, now sweet banana. You know why? You don't get jealousy spirit inside body. Anybody will get jealousy spirit, that kind of person they run for her. You don't know to be jealousy spirit. You man are sweet open. Don't forget, sweet banana not be new person for here. Not be new person for they calm me down. It be like so that my wife, you come you start to calm me down with style. When we say the thing not shock him, the thing they shock him, but you come you start calm me down. And me will not they provoke. And you don't see now, you don't see. We get what they do our thing. My brother and my you be. Thank you very much, bro. I appreciate your time and your present, everything, and God bless you. Thank you. Let's allow our sister Faith, may she talk to us.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon, ma.
Good afternoon, everyone.
You are welcome.
Wow. Epa, God bless you,
Welcome.
Though.
I hear you.
Ciao. You don't need to even answer them again concerning work. You know, we, especially Nanjawo for come, we believe say if you dey work, now you will get cash. Everything I work. Since where they go work, I never see China person where they work. China. If they have before you see China, they work for the Italy, yeah. No be the man wife. In spirit, no only one wife, one husband. If you marry another one, now when you go buy rice, you go say, Madam, you no put jara for me. Jara, you no buy her, you put jara. That man they do jara for that woman body. No be your wife. In spirit, I'm talking no. You know, we as we now, once we don't enter, we don't come out for Africa, we enter Europe. Many of us also they don't see like to go church. We know they follow Bible. If we really say we follow Bible, I want to talk in spirit today. We want follow Bible. That woman with the Naija, if now that man don't fair marry, now he be that man's wife in spirit. Now God know, say now he be that man's husband. And another one again, if now the one he dey if marry before you marry the one he dey Naija, now the one he dey here. Now God know say now he be your husband and wife. Where God know say this man, this woman don't marry. You see, so if na the one dey Naija, now if marry, if they use this one they do jara, He just they do this, and they do anything what you like. Sister, if you did no verse, I want you to talk in spirit today, because sometimes I do preach Bible. So concerning the one day here, and they can't go marry you for communal marriage. In communal marriage is very good though. If you did Europe, communal marriage they good, they nice well. Why they nice? In case you and the man work together, or do things together. You understand? It depends on the one I marry, because again, communal marriage, your own and my own. Your two of us, our own. That one see good. And you see get right. In case this man come wrong, you say you no go pay picking, you no go take off your children. They go dig and say you don't marry her. You don't marry you for communal marriage. They go trace her anyway for the work. You go they drop money for your account. You understand? So sister, for in spirit, you have right to marry another man if you want marry. You know sin against God. But if now you marry, you don't have right until that man go back, until the woman the way Bible talk about returning bride price. I know see people they return bride price. The woman will go marry, the man will go marry. But in spirit, it's not recognized in spirit. And they tell you the truth. If you really follow in spirit, follow Bible. Even though you divorce that woman see they are alive. That woman never buy, you go marry another person. That one you marry, God no know. You are committing another thing, which I not go talk here because of TikTok. You are committing that thing, which is very bad. You know, say we as a boy they prepare us, we use and take do something. Good. We need to calm down. That is why I love Bible. I love Bible so much. It gives us knowledge and wisdom and understanding. Forget people say, no, you both write Bible. Even if you read Bible, you both not get the knowledge where Bible gets. If you want to follow what the Bible talk, the knowledge where they don't help me well. Now make some people will tell me, say, you carry God for head, you carry God for head. But I carry God for head. You know me say, you come bunch on my way. I go let you know, say, this one Bible talk say, not because I carry it for head, you can't disobey me like that. I go see, fight my own right. You understand? So sister, if you know say the woman, now the man will marry, the man will say marry for common, I say you don't feel marry that way there for Naija. Sister, you got right to marry. You don't need to even to think. You don't need to think. You just get opportunity to marry another person. Go eat another fresh agbolo soup with that man and cook better egusi soup. You no go fear. You no go commit sin. You no go say I no call the thing say I don't feel for another man without you no say you don't feel marry. You understand? But if now you marry, sister, what I go tell you? For you not to your mind, not to judge you, your conscience, not to judge you, find where to relax, because man will feel deceive you. They not tell you say you don't marry before. You go marry, say I love you. I don't know the kind of love with that. I will tell they do. For example, if na me they the shoe, me I not go feel love that man again. Man will feel lying me, that kind of lie. And you know, you even call me, tell me with the quarrel where you can't tell me. You see, the man no love you. That kind of man, if you see where they go do money ritual, I don't want to pronounce it, I know verse. Use person do cash. If you use your enemy, I dey tell you the truth. If you use your enemy, they do say you go do one go get money, go get cash. They say go bring some person where you want. They want bring find person bring. You carry your enemy go because he no love you. I dey tell you the truth. Man, if you marry, if you don't marry, can't give you don't born one, you don't born two for her. You don't tell you, when I can't the quarrel inside the argument, you can't tell you say, if you leave the way you don't marry, who you be? Sister, you see you finish. Man, no if you try, I tell you the truth. Not because he would dare platform here. People will know me for begamo. They know, say man, no go fit try that kind of thing for me. Man, they not born down, man, we go try that thing for me. Tell me, say, the person where I feel marry, if I feel leave her, what reply you? I can't sit there with you. They cook a goosey soup for you. Cook a bowl of soup for you. Call you up and say good morning, sir. I can't call you. Say on here you day now. I hope you do okay. We're working place. I hope you day fine. I not trying. My spirit not that agree. I not go feed do. I go find where go relax. I always repeat that if us na she do that thing, say you go find where relax first. That woman for see their life now. I tell you. So sister, if you not say that the wine down in Nigeria, now if I marry. You no need to think, come on for there. Take off your children. Find something doing. I don't need to talk about the repeater. Find all my gender. Find something doing. So that man will not use it to do caricature. As I dare so now they do fast. They do a for my husband. Make I for go work. They start work 4:30. Because if I come back in the morning, I don't say the man don't get food to eat. That man why they do something for if he mistakenly try me. And that forget love, oh, because me I dey work, he dey work. After me come dey do all those things, come go pass my back, go sleep with another man, woman, come give am belle. Or don't fair do I no let me know, I call let her know. Sister, my slippers when I get, if you no go reach me, I go borrow. Take pick race. Take run for my life. Because small thing now they buy somebody. Nobody where you go put your hand for party. All those quick things, if they buy woman be. So my sister, if you know say you never, now the one in Nigeria if you marry, now you before you marry you know be you be your wife. Now the one in Nigeria be your wife. Go find your home partner. And they tell you. And I pray God will give you knowledge and wisdom and understanding in Jesus' name. Amen. I rest my case here.
In
Thank you
Jesus'
very much.
name. Somebody shout hallelujah. Find something doing. Find something doing.
Wow, Sister Faith, Sister Precious, Mommy Joy. Who again? Comment section, who again? Who again? Sister Faith, Sister Precious, Mommy Joy. Who again? Sister Happy, Happy first one. Who again? I want to know that I really know my people will do that for the platform. No, Mama Ben, not the tough. No, Mama Ben, not the tough. Not the talk. Oh, Sister Dorothy. I really know them, yo. I really know them. Sister Dorothy, yes. These five people. If I also say the same request, my heart will make me. Because okay. Anyway. Yes, Star Beauty, yes. A Beauty, yes, you are right. More allow our sister Omo Rose talk to us. Sister Rose, good afternoon. You know that Sister Rose seated there.
Good afternoon, oh, house.
You're welcome.
I greet everybody. How on a day?
We greet you. You're welcome.
All these days, we dey busy. I just dey browse, dey pass.
I see him.
Today, the matter pin me here. I said, make a pin here today. Oh. Well done. Bros. You know that, everybody don't talk about the matter. About jealousy people, how they carry the work, how they pass. How they plan for their head. How they do things. Everybody don't talk. You know, everything when I'm supposed to talk. So, but my own be saying, you're doing well. We want to encourage you that you're doing well. It's not that not be say you they fear anybody or say you they shake when make you they talk about these things. But as a human being, sometimes you get the kind way when person go feel unappreciated. You understand? So no matter what you they do, you know, people see they talk against you. Just leave that one for your dustbin, because you know say this life, no matter what you do, not everybody go agree with you. You understand? Yes. So don't focus on that one. Don't focus on just if you they think if you they worry yourself, if you they think they always think about it. And at that time when you go come be like say they will come there like giant for your front. You understand? But there is need for caution, because I don't hear everybody where they talk. Me, my own be say, guide yourself with caution. Don't take it at levity, because anybody when they do strong thing, when you know say you dey against whenever you are against wickedness or you are against, you know, people that are doing bad, for sure they will surely rise up and start trying to tarnish your name and everything. So anyway, when you go carry take build that fence around yourself, that security around yourself. Make sure that you do it both prayerfully. If it's to belong to some organizations, you understand. I like you because you know they do Africa, this thing like me too. You know they do Africa brain. You've integrated into the European this thing. You understand? Don't just, you know, like police them, you know they see police, they live for anywhere. Just they appear for any place. This thing that you are doing, don't take it, sir, as just ordinary something. You understand? As online something. You understand? Because God don't already they show you, say, this thing wey they do now mega something. He don't they swell. So because of that, yes, let your voice be heard. Let us all know if anything dey happen. Let us all know so that now we go help you shut them down. But you yourself too, sir, bros, also surround yourself with prayer. God will guide you. God will direct you. Surround yourself with prayer, because no take. I know say we just dey feel say we dey come here, they come dey catch phone, we dey come dey cruise. No be say we no get things to do. You have it in your heart, and naturally you've talked about your grandfather, and na so me sef be for my house too. Na me be the cross bearer for other people. The way they, you understand, in certain situations, na me dey voice out. So no be say na something when you just come here, come dey carry am for, come dey stand up. Because even the first day I join your platform, I just keep my ear. No be say that day to say I no stay small. I for say this bros, na another bros wey dey bring women down. But when I put my ear down, when I see wetin dey happen, I see say you know they take side. You understand? When we dey wrong, you go talk am. When we dey right, you go talk am. But as these days don dey go now, when you be say na woman things, and you say don't carry your eyes see am, and all the wrongs, a lot of wrong. Time go come when we say we women too go get our own gbasgbos. But it be like say this period now, in our season, when we say everybody they get the heart and the opportunity to come tender their pain for your platform. So as God has made this platform for us, I want to encourage you, continue, but don't take it with ordinary, you understand? If there's any way to monitor these people, take be aware of this kind of people, them not just say you will just take them as ordinary like that. One or two person need to get used as an example, you understand? Make them know say be that kind of person when we say you just there here to come. Maybe because they never say you don't open one foundation. I mean, they say you just they come here, they come, they talk, they say person no get work, person no get work. Some people their work not be physical work. Now God, spiritual work when God send you to come do, now you they do. So I would like to encourage you in that, sir. Please be prayerful, and any other way where say you fit make this thing in a legal way, go for it. We are there with you. You've already gotten the crowd. We are there for you. You understand? If you want to put foundation and everything, let it be legal so that we there for you, Gidigba. You understand?
Thank you very much. Thank you. God bless you. Thank you.
Now, this matter now we dey talk about today. Now, wow. Okay. So, first of all, everything when I want to talk here now, I want to use myself. I'm talking from my own experience, because this lady, what happened to her is also what happened to me. Through one Urobo guy. We don't get wife for Sweden before. Tell me. I say you come Nigeria, say he pay for my side, agree go back again. I mean, I know even sabi all these things. And for my mind, I really love na he be. Finally, at the end of the day, I can't find out say he don't go do traditional marriage with another lady. Her picture even there in brother house, everything. Me and he can't go rent another house. No, he say he send me money, I rent house, everything. In fact, that one is my own story. I don't want to continue, but I want to say I'm talking from experience. What I want to say to her, you understand? First of all, one mommy don't talk her for years. Say, my sister, think about this matter, because I know say when woman don't love person, it's very difficult to advise her. When woman they in love, or upon say you don't dey in relationship, or talk less of say children don't enter, it's not easy. Everybody that is saying walk away, just leave the man, find your life, is good, but she herself, make she use her tongue counter it. No say, as a brother Sweet Banana talk, then they tell blind man say smoke day before you go walk out, come up from place. If she know say for her heart of hearts, the guy dey buoyant when they take care of them and everything, there are many ways that she can do it. If it gets arrangement wey be say make she find her own way, make the guy find him own way in a silent way. Woman no dey carry grabber dey leave man, my sister. Make you no come cripple. I'm sorry whether that language no good dey. You know, if you sometimes if you want show some man say you won't go in a grabber way, they will cripple you in many ways. We are from Africa, you know what I mean. You go use your brain as a woman. We get brain, you understand. You go use your brain, know as you go organize yourself, because nothing for you there, sister. Nothing for you there. Whether he marry you first or he come marry you later, the thing be say he no tell you the truth from the beginning. As he no tell you the truth, everything is falsehood. You understand? Everything is falsehood in the sense that we don't even know whether only that woman na in there. For a man to be telling you say if you feel bullshit woman when you don't pay bride price for her head for Africa, who you be? Now be say insults don't they turn to disgrace style by style. Insults don't they turn to disgrace style by style. So you think of that one too before you talk of love. The love don't sour, nothing like love inside there again. Think of yourself. And again, to avoid say one sister be one mommy be dey talk there say make she call the woman, make she explain to her. You don't need to call any woman. You don't need to call her. You know, anyway, all of us we talk out of our own experience. But as me now, put myself like that woman, you can't call me, you can't explain things to me, you can't apologize to me. I go owe you, say now you cause everything. You don't need to go and be calling the woman. You don't have any business with she. Grow your children, make she grow her children. If at the end of the day, anything, family thing reach, and your children say they won't go, make them meet for there. But don't go and start problem where you know if you carry for your head. You are still sleeping, you are still dreaming good dream. Before you go call the woman now, you will go start war where you know if you fight. Now that time you go call the dream one thing. Now that time if bed fly now, your mind no go dey at rest again. You understand? So the peace that God has given you now, when God open your eye, that peace, use your brain, face yourself, face your own self and your children and the man will put you for this situation. Face yourself and your children and the man will put you for this situation. Don't allow them to come and use you as a what did they call her? Monkey they walk, babu they shop. Yes, the woman go say she don't agree. No problem now. My husband don't tell me everything. You be my small wife, my dear. Learn from people when they front of you. Learn from other people when it don't happen to. Before you know waiting they happen, they will tell you say no problem, no problem. Your blood will call they dry. Your red this will call they dry. You can't they walk to please anybody. You cannot please anybody more than the children that you brought to this life in. Those children, them now should be your priority, because before you know it in the apple, they don't start to jazz you. You don't go know what they do, or you don't go hear anybody on again. Even these our platforms. If you know here